Hello everyone. I'll be conducting a hands-on workshop titled Building Intelligent No-Code Help Desk Chatbots using Microsoft Conversational AI stacks such as Power Virtual Agents, Microsoft Bot Framework, and Azure Cognitive Services. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has said human language is a new layer and bots are like new application. As more and more bots are getting popular in home and enterprises, the demand for custom bots is increasing at rapid pace. In the post-COVID pandemic world, we are seeing a huge uptick in the self-service chatbots. In the part one of this hands-on workshop, we will be covering the basics and will cover the help desk chatbots that will address scenarios such as IT support, employee onboarding, HR support, open enrollment support. The help desk bot can supplement your help desk team and can free up their valuable time to focus on more complicated scenarios. The help desk chatbots that we'll be creating can be deployed in the company's intranet site, SharePoint on-premise, Microsoft Teams, email, Skype, and many other supported devices and channels such as Facebook, Twilio, Kik, and many more. In the second part of the workshop, we will be further enhancing the help desk chatbots that we created in the part 1, and we'll add more enterprise-grade features such as authentication, intelligent search, and many others. The target audience of these hands-on workshops is IT pros, our users, and developers. And the most important thing, we will provide you all the required access to create your own chatbots. That includes access to Power Virtual Agent, Microsoft Azure, and Microsoft Cognitive Services. So all you need is to join us with the laptop that supports the modern browsers such as Firefox, Chrome, or Microsoft Edge. I hope to see you there. Stay safe and stay healthy.